Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make this Nigerian hot pepper soup. So the first ingredient we'll be using is onions and scotch bonnet. I will go ahead to add into my blender and I'm going to blend it, but not a smooth blend. Okay, I'm going to like crush it. If you have a food processor machine, you can use that. Okay, I don't want to blend it to become smooth, but I'm going to, process it. Yeah, like crushing it. Okay, and when I'm done with that, I'll go ahead to blend my dry ingredients, which is calabash nutmeg and alligator pepper. Okay, I will blend these two to bring it to a smooth consistency. Okay, blend and blend and blend. Okay, and if you're yet to like our page, subscribe, follow, and share this video, this is the time to do it because we make it simple. Okay, all we do in this page is simple recipe that you don't need to break the bank to prepare. Okay, healthy, simple recipe, and I'm done with blending the dry ingredients. You can see this is what it looks like. Okay, and then we'll go ahead to prepare this turkey pepper soup. First, we need to introduce our turkey, clean washed turkey. Make sure you remove all the hairs and all that. The onions and the pepper we blended. This is time to add it. I added water into it so that, it can bring all of them out. And I added the dried ingredient, which is nutmeg, calabash nutmeg, okay, and the alligator pepper. I added seasoning cubes, the pepper soup spicy, okay, and the salt to taste. And we will make sure that the meat is well covered with the water because this is pepper soup for drinking. And I went ahead to add some order, okay, and this is perfect for a nursing mother. If you're a nursing mother, this will help your breast milk to flow, okay. And after like 20-25 minutes, I went to check on it. You can see the pepper soup is already setting. If you're not a mother, this soup is just perfect for you. Okay, for winter, for cold, for harmattan, this is just a perfect soup to take. And I went ahead to add my scent leaf and I will cover it to cook. This is a dry scent leaf because I live outside Nigeria. I don't have the fresh one. I'm going to allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Then we'll get back to it. Okay, just like I said, if you are yet to share this video, what are you waiting for? Share this video, okay? Then I will go ahead to cover it to cook. Guys, my kitchen is booming with the aroma of this turkey pepper soup. Is booming. And when I mean it's booming, it's booming. My kids are already waiting. Everybody is already waiting for this soup to get down the stove. Okay. Everybody's just waiting for this soup to get down. Okay. And just like I said before, if you're yet to subscribe, if you're yet to follow us, please, we'll really appreciate when you do that. Okay. And don't forget to give this video a like and share. Okay. Then we are going to go ahead to taste. Where is your mouth? Put your mouth and take this one. Yeah, it's so delicious. Okay. And I went ahead to serve. Okay. Time to serve. Moment of truth is here to know. Okay. But I know this is so delicious. As at when I prepared this turkey pepper soup, it was everything. My family, they'll be asking me for it. And I went ahead, to test it for you guys. This tastes so delicious, hot, perfect for this weather. Thank you guys. I will see you in my next one.